In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix website fit all screens. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can confidently refine your site for both desktop and mobile without losing your design. Start in the Wix editor on the desktop view and make sure your main layout is in a good place. This is where you set your overall structure, spacing, and visual hierarchy. Keep important content within the site's grid lines so it doesn't hug the very edges on wide monitors, and aim for consistent section widths and clean alignment. Establishing that solid desktop foundation first makes the mobile pass much faster. When you're ready, switch to the mobile view by clicking the mobile icon at the top of the editor. Wix automatically creates a mobile layout, but it's only a starting point. Scroll through your pages and look for anything that feels cramped, misaligned, or overlapping. Pay extra attention to your header, menu, hero section, and any areas with multiple columns, because those are the spots that most often need adjustments on smaller screens. Now fine-tune the elements that don't fit. Select items and resize them with the corner handles, then drag to reposition it as is needed. If text looks too tight, widen the text box, increase line spacing slightly, or reduce the font size just enough to keep it readable while maintaining your brand. For buttons and links, make touch targets comfortably large and leave breathing room so they're easy to tap. If an image is cropping awkwardly, open its settings and adjust the fit or focal point so the subject remains centered on mobile. Use the mobile tools to clean up spacing. Nudge elements so they stack in a natural order. Align content to the center for a neat look, and remove unnecessary gaps by adjusting section or strip heights. If a decorative element adds clutter on small screens, hide it on mobile only. Your desktop design will remain intact. Keep paragraphs concise, avoid wall-to-wall text, and let white space guide the eye down the page. As you make these tweaks, remember that content changes apply to both views, while most positioning is independent per view. That means you can safely move and resize elements on mobile without breaking your desktop layout. When you're done refining the mobile version, click the desktop icon to switch back. From here, continue polishing your desktop design, then revisit mobile as needed to keep both experiences aligned. With this quick workflow, desktop first, mobile check, targeted adjustments, and back to desktop, you'll have a site that looks great and works smoothly on every screen.